Hey there, welcome to Live Hub. I'm Echo, your virtual guide, and I'm here to walk you through a quick tutorial on Click to Call and how to set it up quickly. Click to Call lets you embed a call button directly into your website or mobile app, making it easy for customers to reach you instantly. It connects calls over the internet, cutting costs by bypassing your telephony provider. Let's dive in. To get started, go to SIP Connections on the left-hand menu and click Add New SIP Connection. Name your connection. For the connection type, select Client Application. And that's it. Save your settings. Now let's set up a routing rule to define where your click-to-call requests will go. Navigate to the Routing Rules section and add a new routing rule. Set the call origin as the click-to-call connection you have created. In the call destination, choose from available options like bots, SIP connections, or numbers. In this example, we'll select a bot called Safe Travel as the destination we would like to achieve. Save your routing rule to complete the setup. Now let's test the setup and verify it works. Head back to SIP Connections. Now, select the Test Call option. Fill in any required test details. Don't worry, it doesn't matter what you enter here. Initiate the test call to verify your setup. You should hear the bot you have defined respond.
Hello, I'm Safe Travel's agent, a virtual assistant.
Once everything is configured and working, Live Hub provides a JavaScript snippet you can download. You can also copy and paste this code into your website or app to activate the Click to Call button. You can even customize its look and feel to match your brand. I also suggest using the provided documentation for step-by-step integration instructions. You'll find everything you need to fully implement and customize the feature. That's it. You're all set. I hope I was able to cover most of the options so you can find your way around easily. Happy configuring, and thank you for choosing Live Hub by AudioCodes.